Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with an unforgettable moral about perseverance. What if a simple toothbrush could fight monsters? In a small, quiet bathroom lived Brillo, a toothbrush with bristles like shining silver swords. Brillo wasn't just for cleaning teeth. Every night he dreamed of being a warrior, battling the tiny germs that whispered in the shadows of the sink. These germs weren't ordinary. They looked like mischievous glowing blobs that shimmered green and blue, laughing as they hid between tiles. One evening, the bathroom grew cold, and the mirror fogged mysteriously. Brillo sensed trouble as a giant germ leader emerged, called Mucus Rex. Mucus Rex had eyes like dripping slime and a crown made of tangled floss. He declared the bathroom his kingdom, sending chills through the pipes. Brillo shook with fear, but he remembered the smiles he kept safe daily. He gripped his bristles tighter, determined to protect his home. With a leap, he dashed across the sink, shining under the moonlight through the window, his silver bristles glowing like tiny swords of hope. The germs attacked in swarms, swirling like stormy clouds. Brillo spun fast, sweeping them back, his bristles flashing sparks of dazzling light. Every sweep made the germs screech, shrinking into smaller forms. Yet Mucus Rex roared, growing larger, dripping slime across the bathroom floor. Brillo lunged bravely, stabbing at the slime waves. The clash echoed like thunder, and droplets sparkled like stars as they splattered against the tiles. The mirror reflected their battle, turning the bathroom into a glowing arena. Brillo's light fought against the dark shadows creeping across the walls. Mucus Rex snarled, summoning reinforcements from the drain. Out came slippery worm-like germs, slithering fast toward the toothbrush's bristled feet. Brillo stumbled back, nearly falling into the soap dish. He gasped, feeling weaker with every swing. Could he truly defeat this endless slime? Just as hope dimmed, he heard faint whispers of encouragement, the voices of teeth he had cleaned, cheering him with echoes of bright smiles. Their glowing encouragement wrapped around him like a shield. Brillo felt new strength surging, his bristles sharpening into radiant silver flames. With renewed courage, he swept across the bathroom, blasting away slime with beams of cleansing light, pushing back the crawling germ army. Mucus Rex roared louder, cracking the mirror with his slime whip. The bathroom shook, bottles toppled, and the air filled with acrid stink. Brillo steadied himself, his reflection glowing fiercely. He whispered, "I will not give up." With that, he charged straight into the monster's heart. The impact was blinding, as if the bathroom had turned into a star. Slime exploded everywhere, dripping like shooting comets from the ceiling. For a moment, silence fell. The tiles gleamed, the sink shone, and the air smelled fresh. Brillo sighed in relief, believing victory was his. But then, the broken shards of mirror pulsed, and from them rose a new enemy. Dark shadow germs, birthed from Mucus Rex's shattered image. These shadows were faster, stronger, and immune to light. They hissed as they surrounded Brillo, filling the room with a chilling darkness. Brillo trembled. His flames flickered weakly. He realized brute force would not win this battle. He needed a different way to fight. Closing his eyes, he listened. The echoes of smiles returned, reminding him that perseverance was more than strength. It was never giving up. Brillo spun slowly, bristles humming like a song. The melody echoed through the shadows, confusing them, turning their hisses into whispers. The tune grew brighter, filling the bathroom with warmth. The shadows began to dissolve, fading into sparkles, vanishing back into the mirror. As the last shadow disappeared, the mirror healed itself, shining brighter than ever, reflecting a victorious toothbrush glowing with gentle pride. The bathroom settled, peaceful again. Brillo stood tall, bristles soft but strong, knowing he had defeated darkness through courage and heart. He wasn't just a toothbrush anymore. He was a guardian of smiles, a tiny hero who fought with perseverance and the power of hope. Moral: perseverance means never giving up, even when challenges seem impossible, because courage and determination can shine brighter than fear. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.